GPT-India, one of the most finest manufacturer and exporters of dust extraction system. This video is showing you GPT's one of the most challenging installations for a melting furnace flue gas emission control at a copper manufacturing plant in India. This comprises of a pulse jet back filter, a cyclone dust collector, an ID fan, and a chimney of 120 feet. There is a ducting which is coming from the furnace and culminating to the dust extraction system.
So friends, hope you have found our video of dust extraction system installations quite informative. So if you have got similar requirement, please send us an email at sales@gpt-india.com or gpt-india@gmail.com. You can also log into our website, that is gpt-india.com or dustcollectorindia.com.